So for this DIY, I have a candlestick, a glass jar or bowl. This is a cap from a Bath and Body Works candle, and then this is a cap for a mason jar. I have my hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, as well as some diamond accents that I'm going to be adding. So first up, I want to add some diamond accents to this little candlestick I have here. So I finished hot gluing the little diamond pieces. I really like them. It just adds a little bit to the candlestick. Next, I'm going to take this mason jar cap and I'm going to glue it onto here. Now I'm going to take this Bath and Body Works candle top and just glue it onto here. Now this is what we have so far. I think this looks great actually as is. I feel like you can add a little candle or do something fun with it, but I'm gonna glue this now on top, and that little piece is just gonna give a very sturdy base for that. So before I glue it onto the candlestick, I'm actually gonna add some more little diamond accents. I have these stickers I got from Michaels, so I'm just gonna add them towards the bottom. So I added the little diamond thingies. I tried to do it as straight as possible, but it's not perfect. Now I'm going to glue it onto the base. So there we have the finished product. I really like the way it came out. It looks really nice, and I'm going to be putting some chapstick in there.